Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today's a good day because we got some more parts for our downhill bike. Let's check out what we got today. All right, so today we got our new stem that came in. Now this is a limited World Cup edition. They only made 100 of these, and this is number 7. I don't know if you can see it there, but yeah, it's number 7 of 100, and it's a limited run of these. It's a Spank 40. You see the 40 there? It's a split stem, and I think it's going to make the bike look really good with this stem. So this is our Airborne downhill bike. We got it on our last video. And to install this stem, these are real simple. It's got the holes there, and just put it on top like that, and just tighten up the screws. And that's how she goes on. Yeah, I like it. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, so you just tighten up these screws here. Now, we're just mocking it up now. We're not torquing anything yet. We're going to put all the parts on just to see how they fit. And then we're going to torque everything, grease everything up really good. And yeah, we got more parts coming in today, hopefully. We got our wheels and cranks. They should be coming in today. So the stem is on, and it's going to look really good. It looks really good on here. So just like our last bike, our Trek Fuel, see, we have a split stem here, Spank bars, Spank pedals, seat, grips. Well, this bike is going to be a Spank bike as well. So we got our Spank stem, and we got our Spank wheels coming, and our cranks, and our handlebar Spank as well. And then we have some ideas for the graphics on here, since these are peeling off because of all the rub from all the travel. So we're going to do something crazy with that. I'm really excited about that. Today's also a sad day because we say goodbye to one of the bikes on our channel. And today we say goodbye to our Supercross, our Carbon, our MV Black. This is a one-off, and there's a bike check on one of the previous videos on the channel. Check that out. But yeah, we say goodbye to this bike. It's been a great bike. It's really fast. Like I said, this bike used to belong to a pro, Jeremy Rommel. You might recognize it in World Cups in the past. But yeah, this bike is awesome. I love this bike. But it's time to say goodbye, and we got new bikes coming in. We can't keep all of them. So yeah, we're going to miss this bike. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up that you like it. Make sure you share it with your friends. And let's make a goal of getting 100 subscribers. Right now, we're a little over 80, so let's keep it going. And we got more videos coming for you. We got more parts for our downhill bike. And yeah, stick with us. You know, it's going to get better. All the bikes that we're going to get, the new bikes that are coming in, you're going to want to look forward to those and check those out. So till next time, see ya.